Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the 2024 Citroen C5 Aircross. And let me tell you, this isn't just another cookie-cutter family SUV. While everyone else seems obsessed with making their crossovers sporty, Citroen's gone in a completely different direction, and it's actually pretty refreshing. First up, let's talk looks. The C5 Aircross has this really cool, quirky design that screams Citroen. Those signature air bumps along the sides aren't just for show. They actually help protect against those annoying car park dings. The whole design is kind of like a well-tailored suit with sneakers, formal but comfortable. Under the hood, you've got several options. The new mild hybrid setup is probably the sweet spot. It's smooth, quiet, and makes city driving a breeze. If you're after something more eco-friendly, there's a plug-in hybrid that'll do about 30 miles on electricity alone. Step inside and things get even more interesting. The seats look like they belong in a modern living room, but don't let that fool you. They're seriously comfortable. Citroen's use this special foam that makes long journeys a breeze. And if you go for the fancy version, you even get massage functions that range from gentle back rub to "who's operating this thing?" Tech-wise, you're looking at a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen. The graphics might not win any awards, but everything works well enough. You get phone mirroring as standard, and there's even a built-in dash cam that automatically records if you brake hard. Pretty neat. One of the coolest features is the back seats. You get 3 individual chairs that can slide and recline separately. Anyone with kids will tell you this is genius. No more fighting over space, and each kid gets their own special seat. Plus, you can slide them forward when you need extra boot space. Speaking of space, the boot is massive, up to 720 liters with the seats up, or a whopping 1,630 liters if you fold them down. That's enough room for pretty much anything a family could need, from weekly shopping to holiday luggage. The plug-in hybrid version loses a bit of space to the batteries, but it's still pretty generous. Price-wise, it starts at £23,600 for the base petrol, which is pretty good value these days. The sweet spot mild hybrid will set you back around £30,800, while the plug-in hybrid tops out at £37,300. The verdict? The C5 Aircross is like that friend who's totally comfortable in their own skin. It's not trying to be sporty or aggressive, it's just focused on being a really good family car. And you know what? It absolutely nails it. That's it for today's review. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the C5 Aircross, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest car reviews. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.